In a world recently emerged from the waters of the flood, humanity found itself at a crossroads in history. A vast plain, the plain of Shinar, became the stage for the next act of the human saga. But how did we get here? Our story begins with the lineage of Noah, the righteous man who sailed the tumultuous waters to give humanity a second chance. In Ham and Japheth, the three sons of Noah became the pillars on which the new world would be built. From them descend the peoples and nations spread across vast and diverse lands. Each branch of his descent marked the beginning of a new era, an era of unity. But among these descendants, one would stand out, a powerful warrior, a builder of cities, a leader among men, Nimrod. Nimrod, the first powerful warrior on Earth, not only hunted beasts but also dreams and ambitions. Under his reign, cities emerged, including Babel, on the plain of Shinar. It was a unified world, without linguistic or cultural borders, a humanity with a single purpose. But what drives humanity to build a tower that reaches the heavens? What was the true desire behind this monumental ambition? The answer takes us to the heart of what it means to be human. The search for meaning, for transcendence, for leaving an indelible mark on the fabric of time. But was this unity the end of the story, or just the beginning of a much richer and more complex journey? Join us as we unravel the mystery of human diversity, a legacy that began on the plain of Shinar and spread across the world, weaving the story of who we are today. In the vast plain of Shinar, an unprecedented project was taking shape. Men and women, united by a common purpose, began building a city and a tower that would touch the heavens. It was an expression of boundless ambition, an attempt to reach the divine, a monument to humanity itself. Using burnt bricks for stone and bitumen for mortar, they not only built a physical structure, but wove the dream of a collective identity that would defy time and space. Let us make a name for ourselves, so that we will not be scattered over the face of the whole earth, they said, revealing a deep desire for unity and permanence. But what is human ambition in the eyes of the divine? Is a tower that seeks to touch the heavens a gesture of boldness or a search for meaning beyond the earth? This desire to leave an indelible mark, to build something that transcends generations, revealed both the strength and fragility of the human condition. As the tower rose, so did tensions, anticipating an intervention that would forever change the course of humanity. The dream of humanity united under one sky was about to reach its turning point. We were on the cusp of a moment that would not only define our history, but also our diversity.